Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Shakay. I do lifestyle vlogs, so if you're interested, go and hit that subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Saturday and we're doing kind of like a reset kind of video today. Yeah, we're resetting. It is, I do my resetting normally on a Saturday, not on a Sunday. So yes, we're gonna be doing like a little Saturday / Sunday vlog, but it's like a reset vlog. So yes, got up this morning and journaled. I haven't journaled in a while. I think I haven't journaled from last year, probably October or November, I'm not sure, but journal today. And then right now I'm gonna have some breakfast. We're gonna cook breakfast and then let's see how the day goes from there. I do want to clean my room. My room is in desperate need of cleaning. My bed sheets, they probably need to change. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash those today. I have some clothes that I washed from Monday that I need to fold and put away. I have over here some that I need to like fix up, and I'm gonna say from Monday I wash, so like close the night for wash again. I won't be washing until Monday again, well, except for like the sheets because I need them to wash right now. Yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it that I have to do in my room. And then I have like my bathroom to clean and the rest of the house to clean and so on. And then what else did I have? I'm gonna be washing my hair today, and I think I'm gonna be washing my hair. Yeah, but I forgot probably like catch up this for the most part for the rest of the time, because I'm not gonna do back over the entire hair. I'm gonna do back over the front parts of the hair, like first row and the parting. Yeah, so I'm gonna do back over that, and then I'm gonna do like my everything body care. So shave, I need to shave. I want to shave like my eyebrow, if you shave, but I'm gonna shape it up. Yeah, I'll shape up my eyebrow. I wanted to try doing my lashes today with the lashes I got that I bought, so I'm gonna do that. I want to do my toes today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do white, not sure, or red, I'm not sure, no yet. And then want to scrub my feet and all of them stuff there. So pretty much an entirely body care mini at home and at home maintenance. Yeah. Alright guys, so for breakfast today we're gonna be doing some bacon. We want scrambled eggs, potato, and we're going to do a little piece of breadfruit, and I don't know what else, but well, I think that's it. And then I don't know if I coffee. Yeah, we're probably gonna drink coffee because we're not in the middle. It's a coffee. Yeah, so that's gonna be breakfast. So let's make breakfast.
Treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. Oh, I keep on running.
She coming and going to cover like a she a cook. No, they just hungry people and they see potter weed. Some of them grab it.
All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more.
I made my coffee. I'm gonna drink that until I wait for the rest of the breakfast to finish frying. Alright guys, so this is the breakfast. We're still waiting on the rest of that because it'll take long. I'm kind of hungry, so we're gonna go and eat, right? So yeah, breakfast is served.
You need to get our sister life for me.
It's your boy Mike Easy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah. When I'm with you, you got me feeling like I'm soaring high above the clouds. High above the clouds. I know you're coming. He's coming back. Time is of the essence. Gotta get it right now.
You guys want other person in my house?
Look, guys, I got a baggie to go to the shop.
Anyways, guys, my eyebrows were done. Bye.
I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
Alright guys, it is off. Face not look much better, but it feel look nicer, you know?
Oh, like it.
Feel like
it
something.
did not change in instant.
Guys, it's been a week. Yeah, it's been a week. It's a week after. And right now we're gonna head out to run some errands. So, yeah. So I'm wearing blue today.
I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no.
Alright guys, we are in Jamaica.
I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub.
Hey guys, so it is Sunday, and as you can see, yeah, my tree is still up. We think we take down like pretty much everything else except for like the lights on the outside, but for inside, everything else pretty much come down. Yeah, so this now needs to come down, so let's take it down.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. like you did it for me, yeah. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I miss getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with your father. Oh,